Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to access WhatsApp Manager in Meta Business Suite. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your browser and search for Meta Business Suite. Make sure you open the official Meta website and then log into the account connected to your business assets. After logging in, click on Get Started and you'll arrive at the Meta Business Suite dashboard. If you manage multiple businesses, select the correct business account before continuing. Now, look at the left sidebar and click on Settings menu and you will be taken to this type of page. Inside the Settings area, click on Accounts tab at the left to expand it and then select WhatsApp Accounts. This will take you directly to the WhatsApp Manager section where you can add new WhatsApp business accounts or manage existing ones. Here, you can view connected accounts, check their status, and manage permissions or configurations. If you do not see the WhatsApp Accounts option, make sure you selected the correct business account and that you have the required permissions. In some cases, an admin may need to grant you access, and that's it. So that's basically how you can access WhatsApp Manager in Meta Business Suite. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.